Celebrating girls for life. Girl child is one of the biggest blessings of Lord Almighty. A girl plays many roles in our lives. She is our mother, sister, wife, grandmother, and many more. She is cause of life herself. My baby girl is one of my biggest treasures in life, and I would give her the world if I can. It is only through the eyes of their baby girl that parents are able to understand the power of love. I truly love you, my baby girl. In India, it has been never a good time to be a woman, shackled at homes, deprived of rights in society, and subjected to gender bias at the workplaces. Women by large have borne the brunt of being the weaker sex all through the history. The formation of Hindu Succession Act 1956 ensured equal share in the father's property, but only after amendment in 2005, finally equal rights were awarded. Now father cannot deprive an equal share to daughter, will such property to anyone he wants, and even if he dies intestate, without leaving a will, all legal heirs, including daughters, have equal share in the property. Freedom of every kind is most precious gift to anyone, but unfortunately young girls and women are not completely safe, and the crime against girls and women occur at every single minute in India, whether it is in their homes, public places, or workplaces. Now, various rights for girl child are truly empowering. Hindu Succession Act, the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act, Medical Treatment of Pregnancy Act, Dowry Prohibition Act, the Right of Children to Fair and Compulsory Education Act, Special Marriage Act, Indian Divorce Act, Maternity Benefit Act, Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act. Freedom, trust, support and encouragement are the pillars which help anyone to reach highest goals and make everyone proud in the process. It is my privilege to mention about women achievers through this forum. If you limit a woman, then you are not a human. A nation can never progress until it recognizes the equality and right of a woman. Feminism is equality, politically, culturally, socially, economically. That's it. That's simple. Various government schemes are started to help and support the girl child. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Balika Samriddhi Yojana are few among them. Organizations like CRY are fighting hard for rights of girl child. The need of the hour is to make a change in the mindset of the society and destroy the prejudices that damage the future of the girl child. What is required is concerted effort to sensitize the society in eradicating the issue of gender inequality. It is required that every child is treated equally and the girl child has equal opportunity to study, to grow and to prosper as her counterpart. We all want to be part of a world where girls are celebrated and treated equally with love and respect. Girls must be given equal opportunities and protection as boys and treated at par. A girl's childhood can and must be preserved, cherished, nurtured and protected because she has a right to survive, develop, be protected and participate in decisions that impact her life. What is urgently required in society today is change of attitude, and let us all pledge to give her that hope.